Like, look at the size comparison. I know the regular viewers are like, we know how big it is. But this is the regular pistol grip controller right there, eh? Like, this thing is a monster. Howdy. Look at this fun mushroom tree, hey? The tree is starting to get broken down by the mushrooms. Oh, you're starting to hear it's raining. This big tree fell over in the water quite a while ago. And this is actually where we got stuck in the last episode when we were here. So what a great spot to come into and keep exploring up there. Look at these big giant trees that have fallen. At any moment you could be clobbered by a tree. True. So I never really listened to any music out here, and no real engine to drown out the sound of what's going on around me. There we go, up and at 'em. Oh, I chickened out on the throttle there. There we go. Easy peasy. Let's get a slow-mo shot for you here. Oh my gosh, that looks good, hey? I did a video a while back where I actually doubled up on the tires. Like, I got 8 tires and I bolted them all together. That was cool. Oh, I see you've got water all over the lens. Big surprise on that one, hey? There we go. So there is a deep pool right here. Here is another reason why I don't go with the gas-powered one out here. Although I did consider giving the other one a snorkel when I had the gas-powered engine on there. You know, going electric is best when you go deep. Yeah, see, you got a little wet again, but it's totally worth it. Dude, that is deep, deep water. And for a big truck like that to get through, you gotta have that power and no worry, you know, that you're gonna have an issue with the engine cutting out halfway through. Although a pipe with a filter on the end is a great idea, but again, having it die out here, not really awesome when it's that heavy and you gotta like carry it out of here, right? Okay, let's keep going here. This is what you want to do with a trail truck. This is what you imagine doing, right? Literally trailing. It just means the bigger the truck, the more places you can go. But regardless, you don't need a huge truck to have a good time. That's not it at all. This hobby is great. It doesn't matter if you're running 1/24 scale, if you're running 1/6 scale, 1/5 scale, whatever you want. As long as you're outdoors having a good time. That's what this hobby's all about. It doesn't matter who you are. Oh, I should have kept on the throttle there. I was too busy looking at the screen. Look at the branches it's breaking. Like actual branches. Dudes. Like, that's a hill climb. Oh! I took out one of the wires. That's okay. Big popping sound here. That's just one of the wires. I forgot to Velcro the wires down. That's my bad. But I still want to do it. Oh yeah, I knew I could make it to there at least. It was just my approach was bad. You can see it was ripping up the whole time. Look at this, when I turn myself around, probably looks like the truck is super small. This looks like nothing, I know. But it's like straight up there. Hello. I love the sound of the creek in the back. Okay, so I have quite the drag brake, so I'm gonna actually have to be quite smart about this so it doesn't tip. Forward, forward. Oh, idiot. I thought I said I was gonna be smart about that, and then I did the dumbest thing I could do. Backing up and turning. Like, what noob does that? Me. I did. I should have just backed up straight down the hill instead. And I should also have strapped in my batteries, like not a dum-dum. Through the branches right here. That's a log. Very good, very good. Nice. Now look at the flex on this. At least 8 inches off the ground in the front there. And look at this nice drop, hey? Good suspension drop right there. Good flex in the rear end dual shocks. And what do I want to do? I kind of want to get around this looking forward. This is a small one. We can bust that down. I make my own trail. Yeah. Good. Very good. Here's a small creek that feeds to the creek. That makes sense in creek land. This looks like the real opening here. You guys can't see, but there's a bunch of branches in the way. But I got this snag right here. Right, and this one right here. Right. So, Speedy Gonzalez. Andale, andale. Got it. Straight over. That was full speed though. In a very short distance. Full throttle. Look at this beautiful green moss, guys. At the time of filming right now, it is January. So it's beautiful back here. Just a great day to get out on the trail, enjoy life. Very good. Now, which way to go, hey? Because I got this big log in the way. Anything gonna kill me right now? Well, everything. Now here is just a log jam. So we can get some of this out of the way. Maybe we can hop it if we get some good luck. Let's try. Let's try to bring it in. Come on, big boy. Who's a big boy? They said this wouldn't make a good trail truck because of the low transmission, but I disagree. I think it's a fucking great trail truck. Very agile the way I put it together. Look at this beautiful. Like, of course there's fish in here, but they're small. I love exploring on our property. Oh yes, the red wall's coming up. Fun. I like taking you guys along with me on the journey. What a thing to share with you. Okay, so here, well, in the summer, in the sun, and when it's wet, I guess, this is like, here, look at all the iron in the dirt. It's like a red dirt. Beautiful. I think I got like the supernova sun over there. Here's a beautiful stone. This is a giant log in my path. You're gonna get under and not be able to push under. Correct. See that? Open diff helps me there. Oh, I might be able to squeeze. Oh. Let's go on the other side and see what's holding it. Oh, I almost fell in the water. That's okay. It's part of the action. Oh, water in the boot. Damn it. Ah, oh, it's the worst feeling when it's cold water. Son of a gun. Thanks for a good RC flick, though. Oh, I'm stuck on a boulder, that's why. Okay, well, to be fair, guys, let's winch the boulder out. Boulder's winched. Back up. Very good, very good. A little damaging on the light bar. Not a big deal. Ugh. Blinding. I'm loving it. Beauty. All my tires are spinning, that's a good sign. Very good, very good. Oh, oh. That's okay, here's my low-hanging diff, but tire placement is critical. Anytime you go out RCing, or full size, you guys know that. You go out four-wheeling, your line is critical. Well, we did it. We went into the woods. Okay. Here's my path right here. Dun dun. Whew. Fun. My oh my. Now that is what I call an adventure, my friends. To see a big monster truck like that move around the way it does under the power of a couple of 8S LiPo batteries. Don't get me wrong, those two front steering servos actually have their own 3S battery, and the light system also has an independent 3S LiPo battery. It's probably 5,000 milliamp hour. Regardless, taking the big winch out, like for those that have seen this truck before, made a huge difference. It took about 23 pounds off in that area. I'm specific like that. Regardless, it made a huge change in the ability to fly high. Same with the dual shocks on all four corners. So keep your eye out for a big boy in the future. He is certainly the king of RC trail trucks at the moment in my garage.